This is a car you may have seen. It's a 1986 BMW E30 M3 with a 2.5 liter stroker motor. We imported this car from Sweden. We have a complete history on maintenance going back to the early 1990s. Adam actually translated a binder of service records that were mostly in Swedish and German, project that took about a week. Really cool car, does about 210 horsepower, which in today's numbers I know doesn't sound like a lot, but it sounds really cool. The S14 motor is a really collected, well sought after piece of BMW history. Kind of sounds like a sewing machine on steroids. So we're excited to get this car prepared for sale. Right now, just a handful of minor mechanical repairs, and then this one will also get a detail and will be up on Bring a Trailer. Thanks for taking the time to join me, and we look forward to hearing from you if you've got a car that you're interested in selling or just want to talk cars. Stop by and visit us at the shop.